You staring at those three little dots, and then they disappear. We've all been there. You had an incredible date, there was chemistry, she was laughing, maybe you even stayed out 2 hours longer than planned. She might have even texted you first the next morning. But then you reply, and suddenly it's crickets. Hours turn into days. You're checking your phone every 5 minutes. You're rereading your last text, wondering if a single emoji ruined everything. And here's the most frustrating part. She's still watching your Instagram stories. She's seeing your life, but she's not part of the conversation. You start to spiral. You think, should I send a follow-up? Should I ask if she's okay, or should I just delete her number? Stop right there. Most guys react by accidentally blowing up whatever attraction is left. Today, I'm going to show you the real psychological reason she went cold. It's probably not what you said. I'm giving you a 3-step fix to reset the dynamic, the exact callback scripts to use, and most importantly, how to handle the situation if she never texts back, so you keep your dignity intact. First, let's kill the lies that are making you anxious. Lie number 1, I said something wrong. If she liked you enough to go on a date and text you afterward, one weird text didn't kill it. Attraction is a slow build. It doesn't vanish because of a typo. Lie number 2, she's just busy. Let's be real. We live in a world where people take their phones into the shower. If she's watching your Instagram stories or posting her own, she isn't too busy to text. She's just not making you a priority. Number 3, the social media window shopping. This is the modern trap. She's watching your stories but not replying. Why? Because she's window shopping. She wants to see if you're going to act desperate, get angry, or, the high-value option, keep living a cool life without her. The issue isn't a mistake you made. It's a shift in perceived value. The reason she went cold is called the investment gap. Think about it. Why do we care more about a car we saved up for years to buy than a rental we got for the weekend? Because we invested in it. Attraction works the same way. If you're doing 90% of the work, initiating every text, planning every date, replying in 30 seconds, you've made yourself the rental. You're too easy to keep. By over-investing, you've removed the chase. You've given her all the validation of a boyfriend with none of the effort required on her part. She didn't lose interest in you. She lost interest in the dynamic because there was no challenge left. And sometimes there's a tension gap. If the date was nice, but she didn't flirt or create any romantic stakes, she might have put you in the friend category mentally. You can fix it by, step 1, the radio silence rule. The moment you realize she's gone cold, stop. Do not double text. Do not ask, are we okay? Do not post sad quotes on your story. You must hit the pause button. If she left you on red, the ball was in her court. By doing nothing, you communicate that your world doesn't stop just because she stopped typing. This creates curiosity. She starts wondering, wait, why isn't he chasing me? Did he find someone else? Step 2, rebalance. When she eventually texts back, and 80% of the time they do not punish her. Don't say, oh, look who's alive. That looks bitter. Instead, be warm but brief. Match her energy. If she took 2 days to reply, don't reply in 2 seconds. And most importantly, end the conversation first. Example, hey, good to hear from you. I'm actually heading out to meet some friends, but let's catch up soon. Had a good one. Step 3, the callback respark. If it's been 4+ days of silence, you can send one and only one low-pressure text. Forget the pineapple on pizza texts. They feel like canned lines. Use a callback script. Number 1, the observational callback. I just saw a thing related to a joke you shared and immediately thought of you. Hope your Tuesday is less chaotic than mine. Number 2, the no-pressure recommendation. Finally checked out that show you mentioned. You were right. The ending was insane. Hope you're having a good week. Notice, you aren't asking a question. You aren't asking for a date. You were just showing her that you were a high-value guy who is out in the world living life. Here is the truth no one wants to hear. What if she stays silent? If you follow these steps and she never reaches out, I want you to change your perspective. You didn't lose her. The system worked. You just successfully filtered out someone who wasn't enthusiastic about you. Why would you want to date someone who makes you feel anxious and ignored? By pulling back, you saved yourself months of chasing a maybe. The investment gap isn't a game to win her back. It's a test to see if she's worth your time. If she doesn't step up, she failed the test. Move on to the next one with your head high. The secret to never worrying about a cold text again is shifting from an audition mindset to a vetting mindset.
Most guys are auditioning. They think, I hope she likes me. I hope I don't mess this up. High-value guys are vetting. They think, I like her so far. Let's see if she's consistent. Let's see if she puts in effort. When you are busy building a life you love, fitness, career, hobbies, friends, a woman going cold isn't a tragedy. It's just a data point. So hit the pause button, rebalance the investment, and if she stays cold, let her stay there. You've got a life to live. But look, the best way to fix a cold streak is never let the fire die in the first place. There are 3 specific things you can do during the first date that make it physically impossible for her to forget you. If you don't master those, you're always going to end up right where we started.